so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today, I'm at Wiz Kids Playland in Phoenix, Arizona. Whoa! And he and I were just painting. What are you doing back there? Hey, can they come and play?
Of course, have fun.
Come on! Let's go paint. Whoa! Hey, look! Hey, what's your name?
Langston.
Ooh, this is Langston. And what are you doing, Langston?
Painting R.
Ooh, you're painting an R? Wow, that's pretty. Good job. Ooh, and check out what I'm painting. Whoa. Whoa, what is this?
A tree.
A tree? Yeah.
What happened to the other one?
Oh, let's see here. Let's make a stump. Yeah, perfect. All right, a tree with a stump. And then, wait a second. Red up in the blue sky? Do you ever make accidents in life? Yeah, well, those accidents is now a bird. Yeah, they're birds now.
What's bird? What's
A bird, like this. Go, go. It's like I'm a bird. Whoa, check this out. Whoa, whoa, pretty cool toys. Look, it has some gears. When you turn this one, it turns that one. And when that one turns, it turns that one. And when that one turns, it turns that one. Whoa, so cool. Ooh, hey, what's this? It's a car. Whoa! Ooh, and what is this? Whoa, it's a firefighter hat. Whoa, pretty cool. We were painting earlier and acting like artists. I love being an artist. And I also love acting like I'm a firefighter. I love acting like a firefighter because you have to spray the fire with the water. Let's go wash our hands. Okay, let's see what else we can act like around here. So much fun. Okay, let's put this firefighter hat right there. Right where we got it. Ooh, what other toys are in here? Wow. There's so many of them. Whoa. Whoa, look at this table. Wow, it's so colorful. Yeah, like this. It's the color blue, and it teaches you how to buckle. Ooh, and this is the color red, and it teaches you how to tie a lace, like your shoes, see? Whoa, and this one is the color yellow, and you can learn how to button up a shirt, like mine. Ooh, orange and tie. Oh, purple, this is a new one. Snap! Yep, snap it on, just like that. Oh, and green! This one, you can learn how to zip. Wow, that's pretty cool. Whoa, look over here. Wow, there's so many things. Yeah, the letters of the alphabet. Whoa! That's silly. Hey, I have an idea. Let's pick up a letter and then let's find out where it goes. What letter is this? Yeah, the letter F. A, B, C, D, E, F. E, F. Yeah, F. Right there. Good job. Whoa, that's so much fun. Whoa, another table with a bunch of cool things. Whoa! Okay, look at this. Wow, it's like the human body. Whoa, like my lungs right here. That hold all the oxygen in our bodies. Whoa, whoa! Let's put the lungs right there. Ooh, and the heart? Whoa, this is what pumps all the blood everywhere. And that's when you lay your head on someone's chest and it goes bum-bum, bum-bum, bum-bum. Oh, and you know how else we can hear that? Is with a stethoscope. Whoa! Let's listen to your heartbeat. Whoa! I hear your heartbeat. Whoa! You know what profession loves to listen to heartbeats? Yeah, nurses. Nurses and doctors. I love acting like a nurse. It's so much fun, because you got to make sure that your patients are nice and healthy. Whoa. Okay, let's set this down. All right. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, this is how football players train. Whoa, and football players are professional athletes. And that's another profession. I have an idea. Let me show you how quick I can run through this and act like a professional football player. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I did it. Whoa, that was so much fun acting like a professional football player. Whoa, whoa, hey, look at all of this grass. It feels so good. I just want to roll around in it. Whoa, 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 what's this? Whoa, it's a horse. Hey, and it's a cowboy and cowgirl hat. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we put on the hat and ride the horse so then we can act like farmers and cowboys and cowgirls. Okay. Whoa! Woohoo! I love acting like a farmer and a rancher. It's so nice riding my horse with the wind blowing through my ears and my hair. Oh, it's so sunny today. Whoa! Okay, all right, Nellie. See you later. That was so much fun being on the farm and the ranch. Ooh, hey, a place where you can get some food. I wonder how this food got here. Ooh, in the diner? Where did this food come from? Right behind me. This is a grocery store. And that's another occupation. You can work at the grocery store. Okay, let's make sure all the shelves are stocked. Okay, looks like we have some lemons and some corn. Perfect. That should go right there. Ooh. And some strawberries. Yum. Ooh, and raspberries. Ooh, and a red pepper. Pretty tasty, but pretty hot. Okay, what else is around here? Whoa. We have some fluffy white rice. Yum, I love rice. Whoa. Oh, and some fruity, colorful cereal. Whoa. I think working at a grocery store would be really fun because you get to work around food all day. And I get hungry a lot, let me tell you. I love to eat, but I really love to eat healthy food. Okay, I'll check you out. Whoa! Whoa! Perfect! Whoa! Here's your change for all your food. There you go. Okay. All right. The shift is done. Okay, we can go home now. That was sure fun working at the grocery store. Whoa! Whoa! A car! Here we go! It's like I'm a race car driver. Whoa! 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 That was awesome! Whoa. Even a race car driver is something you could do for work. That'd be pretty fun. Okay. Whoa! So cool. I bet you know what this person does, huh? Yeah. Looks like you have to wear a hard hat. Do you know what I am? Yeah, I'm a construction worker, a handyman, or a handy woman. Woo! Ring, 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 ring. Whoa, I get to work with screwdrivers all the time. Ooh, and drills. Ring, ring, ring. Whoa, be careful. Even sharp saws. Yep. Okay. Whoa. Let's put that back. Oh, I am sure getting tired. I could use some food. Hey, I have an idea. Look at this house. It has a kitchen. Yeah, see? This kitchen. Do you know who uses a kitchen all the time and cooks food? Yeah, a chef. Whoa, I love being a cook. Whoa, okay, there you go. Turn on the heat. Okay, saute some onions and mushrooms. Yum, I'm so excited. Woo, and look, I'm cooking an egg. Yummy. Oh. Yum! Ooh, it's all done. Okay, put it right over here. Perfect. Okay, enjoy. Okay, let's put that skillet back. Okay, let's sit down. Whoa, now that dinner time is all done, I am pretty tired. It's been so much fun learning about... Whoa! What's happening? Whoa, those are sirens. Some jobs, some people, they have to be on call all the time. That means they have to go into work at any moment. And this job is a police officer. Okay, we have to keep the citizens nice and safe. Whoa, it's pretty scary being a police officer. You should respect them because they keep us nice and safe. Okay, it's safe. Whoa, whoa, look at this area. Whoa, this area is for infants and babies. Wow, it's so colorful. Whoa, look at this colorful pyramid. Whoa, what color are these? Whoa, it's falling over. Well, this one's green, this one's red, this one's yellow, this one's orange, this one's blue, and this one's purple. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, look, another colorful thing. Whoa! It's like I'm a musician. Musicians are people that make beautiful music, just like me. Whoa, whoa, this room is so cool. Whoa, and look at this wall. Wow, are these planets? Or are they stars? Or are they clouds? Hey, I know of a profession that hangs out in the sky, do you? Yeah, pilot. pilots do. Okay, let's put on my pilot hat. Oh, can't forget about the glasses so no bugs get in my eyes. Okay, here we go. Whoa! I'm flying in the sky. Whoa! Whoa! Flying an airplane is so much fun. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, jeez. That was so much fun learning about all these different professions. Well, hey, special thanks to Wiz Kids Playland in Phoenix, Arizona. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. Well, kids, it was so much fun learning about all these different professions. And you could be anything you want. What do you want to be when you grow up? Yeah, you could do that. Anything you want, you could do. But only if you work really hard and you stay dedicated. Okay, good luck!
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey grown-ups, do you have Instagram? Awesome! You and I should become friends at Blippi Official.